Good morning everyone, this is Devi from Little Hearts Publications and today I am going to take class for class 1 EVS and the lesson is 6 clothes we wear. Yes, children, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from different weather conditions, right? Yes. So, all of us wear clothes, isn't it? Means all human beings. Humans wear clothes. Okay? Yes. So, here, why do we wear these clothes? These clothes protect us from different weather conditions. Okay? Protect from different weather conditions. Okay, what are the different weather conditions? Weather conditions means it may be morning rainy and afternoon it may be very hot and evening it may be cool again. That is, in a particular day the weather is different. So, according to the weather conditions, we protect our body by wearing the clothes. So, what are those weather conditions? It hot, cold, okay, then rain and from dust. These are some weather conditions which we protect our body. Yes. So, they also protect us from insect bites also. Okay, from insect bites. So, if we wear long sleeved clothes, we can protect, and long trousers, full trousers, insects bite can be protected. Yes, and clothes make us look very smart. Makes us look smart. Okay, so these are the uses of the clothes, and here they have given you different clothes in your textbook, page number 24. Page number 24. Once look at the pictures. This is jacket, this is skirt, and this is top, trouser, and this is a frock or gown. Okay. So, these are the different varieties of clothes worn by man and woman or girl or boy, isn't it? Yes. So, you might have wearing different clothes, right? Yes. So, we wear different clothes in different seasons. So, what are the clothes we wear? We wear different clothes. Different clothes in different seasons. In different seasons, isn't it? So, we will not wear the same type of clothes in all the days or all the months. So, what are the different seasons in our country? Okay, let's see. The main seasons in our country are three types. What are those main seasons? Main seasons. We have three main seasons. Okay. What are these three main seasons? We'll see now. First one is summer. Summer season. Okay. What is summer season? Yes. They have given you a picture in your textbook, page number 24. Once look at the picture. You can, by looking at the picture, you can say how is the summer season. Now look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? You can see a bright sun, a boy wearing half-sleeved shirt and also he is very sweaty. So which season is this? It is summer season. As summer season is very hot, we wear light colored clothes. Okay, light colored clothes. Okay, in summer season we wear light colored clothes. Why we wear light colored clothes? Because it is very hot, or sun is bright sun. Bright sun. It gives more heat as the earth is closer to the sun during this season. Yes. So why do we wear this light colored clothes? Light colored clothes helps us to keep our body cool. Okay, they helps us to stay cool. Stay cool. Yes. Okay, and we are going to see the next picture. Okay, now look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? You can see mountains fully covered with snow, and here they are wearing a cap, woolen cap. She is tying a scarf here, and they wore full sleeved clothes here, and they are making snowman here. Yes. So can you guess which season is this? It is winter season. Okay. So in winter season, what type of clothes we wear? We wear dark colored clothes. Winter season, what type of clothes? We wear dark colored clothes. Dark colored clothes. Yes. So clothes are dark colored, but the material we use is woolen. Woolen clothes. Okay, dark colored woolen clothes. So in winter season we wear dark colored woolen clothes. Why do we wear these woolen clothes? These woolen clothes keep us warm. They keep us warm. They protect us from the cold weather. Here this light colored clothes protect us from the hot weather conditions and keep us cool. This cool weather protects us. These woolen clothes protect us from the cool weather and keep our body warm. Okay, and the next one is rainy season. The next one is rainy season. Okay, so how is it in the rainy season? Let's look at the picture, children. Now look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? You can see umbrella. It's raining and they are wearing long boots here and a raincoat. Okay, so in the rainy season mostly it rains, so we should, okay, in the rainy season it rains frequently. So mostly what are the things we should carry or we can wear? Raincoat. Why do we use raincoat and umbrella? To protect us from the rainwater. Okay, and we can use long boots. Okay, these things. Yes, or you can say them as gumboots also. So these protect us from rain. Yes. Next topic is clothes for different occasions. Clothes for different occasions. Oh, sorry. Clothes for different occasions. Okay, so daily in your house you wear some regular clothes which you can wash easily and which are comfortable to wear, isn't it? So you wear uniform to school which can be washed daily and comfortable for you, convenient, isn't it? But can you wear the uniform when you go for outing or to a function? No, because it doesn't look something special, isn't it? So all of us wear special clothes on occasions. So why clothes for different occasions? Why do we use? What are those different occasions? Special clothes. Special clothes for special occasions. Okay. So what are those special occasions? We'll see the pictures which are given in your textbook, page number 25. Page number 25. Now look at this first picture. This is wedding. Wedding means marriage. Second one is Diwali. Diwali is a festival. And the next one is birthday party. Birthday party, not only the birthday boy, the children who attend the party also try to wear some special dresses. So here wedding, what are the special occasions here? Wedding, Diwali. Diwali means any festival, okay, any festival, and birthday party. Birthday party or birthday. These are the special occasions where we use special clothes. Yes, and some other parties also you can. Okay, and here next one will come to the uniform. Your uniform, mostly school children, we have a uniform. Why is uniform used? Uniform. Uniform is a dress code. A dress code which is used to identify the particular job or a profession, or for example if you say a student, okay, or which school does he belong to, okay, yes. So here children go to school wearing the same kind of dress. It is called as uniform, okay, same kind. All the children of the same school have same kind of uniform. Some people also wear uniform when they go to work. Okay, the people who work at some places, they wear some uniform, isn't it? So what are the some places which people use uniform? We'll see here. The few pictures are given in your textbook, page number 26. Page number 26, look at that pictures. Okay. First picture is nurse. Second one is doctor. Next one is postman. And next one is the student, means uniform. Okay. So here, when you go to a hospital, you can see many people there, isn't it? So, where will you go and ask for help? You should identify a particular person, right? Like a receptionist. Receptionist means if she is sitting at a place, you can identify that she is a receptionist or she will help you. So in the same way, nurse in the hospital and doctor, okay, they both have a uniform. Nurse has a white cap and a white skirt and shirt. Doctor has an apron, white coat, isn't it? This is their uniform. Wherever you see a white coat person, you can say that he is a doctor or a medical person. Okay? And next one is postman. Postman. What is work of postman? He distribute the letters to the particular addresses which are given on the letters. Okay? He also have a uniform, has a uniform, that is khaki colored uniform. Okay? And student. Student has a different uniform which is selected by a particular school. Okay. So these type of clothes or uniforms or different types of materials are used for identifying the people or to protect ourselves from different weather conditions, and also we use some clothes for different occasions. Okay. Okay. Now in the textbook page number 26, 27 and 27 you have some activities. Read the lesson and go through the exercises and complete them. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.